Actor Kangana Ranaut, who's now the Member of Parliament from Mandi in Himachal Pradesh, had alleged the assault that had surfaced at the airport when she was boarding a flight by a CISF personnel deployed on duty who had allegedly slapped her and hit her in the face. Kangana Ranaut has now said, claiming that there has been rising terror in Punjab. But Harsimrat Kaur Badal of Shiromani Akali Dal has criticised that comment by Kangana Ranaut. Badal has said, I quote it here, about how the request that is coming from Harsimrat Badal is to urge the union government to not label Punjabis as terrorists or as arsonists and do not fan communal tensions. Let's listen in to what Harsimrat Kaur Badal has said.
आज चंडीगढ़ एयरपोर्ट पे जो हादसा हुआ वो सिक्योरिटी चेक के साथ में हुआ। वहां पे मैं सिक्योरिटी चेक करके जैसे ही निकली तो दूसरे कैबिन में जो महिला थी, जो सुरक्षा कर्मचारी थी CISF की, उन्होंने उनके पास या उनको क्रॉस करने का इंतजार किया और साइड से आकर जो है मुझे मेरे फेस पे हिट किया और गालियां देने लगी। और जब मैंने उनको पूछा कि उन्होंने ऐसा क्यों किया तो उन्होंने कहा कि वो फार्मर्स प्रोटेस्ट को जो है वो सपोर्ट करती हैं और आई एम सेफ, बट माई कंसर्न इज कि जो आतंकवाद और उग्रवाद पंजाब में बढ़ रहा है, हाउ डू वी हैंडल दैट? थैंक यू।
Remember, it was a huge controversy yesterday and in many ways a security breach as well. Remember, at the airport, a sensitive location where Kangana Ranaut was allegedly slapped and assaulted, and the video then went viral of the personnel on duty as well. It had to do about the comments at the farmers' protest made by Kangana Ranaut. Aseem Bassi is joining me for an update on that. Aseem, one, what is happening on the ground? Any update on the incident with regard to that CISF personnel? Because this is a high security zone and it's a personnel in uniform to have allegedly slapped and assaulted Kangana. But importantly, how is this turning out in the state? Tell us about the political showdown also.
Yeah, but as of yesterday late night, what happened was that she was in the custody of the CISF because Kulwinder Kaur is definitely a woman in uniform. And a complaint was given, but no FIR was registered till late night because the DSP had told that they have got the complaint from the CISF and they will be investigating the matter, that what actually happened. But the various farmer unions have come in support of the CISF personnel, Kulwinder Kaur, saying that Kangana has had a traffic order for speaking against the farmers, so they back them. Even the family of Kulwinder Kaur is a farmer family. Her brother is a member of the Kisan Sangharsh Committee, which is still going on, which is also holding a protest at the Shambhu border, the same organization. So they said that they backed the girl. Now the comment of Harsimrat Kaur Badal has come in when she said that nobody should be allowed to label Punjabis as terrorists. I think this is opening up into a political phase of now.
So now if the comments made about the farmers' protest was not controversial enough and that led to the showdown, now it is about her comment when she said about what unfolded in that video that you see, where she had added that this is also about terrorism, extremism rising in Punjab.
Yeah, she said she firstly said that what happened to her at the airport, whatever happened, the incident happened, telling her she's safe and what happened, how he was hit. But in the last part of the video, she just said that the extremism and terrorism was growing in Punjab, which needs to be handled.
And that is yes, this has led to a huge political showdown on the ground where other leaders are asking why make it into that issue here. So here's what had happened. And thank you, Aseem Bassi, for the latest and keep updating us in this situation because it's become a huge discussion point of what happened. She's been a popular actor, as many call her the film industry's queen with regard to one of the films she does, and now the newly elected Member of Parliament from Mandi. Kangana Ranaut was allegedly slapped and assaulted at Chandigarh airport when she was boarding a flight. But remember, it was not a random person there at the airport. It was the CISF personnel. We are told the identity has been confirmed. Her name is Kulwinder Kaur, who allegedly slapped Kangana Ranaut at the airport when the security check was happening. As per reports, Kangana's statement about women in Punjab during the farmers' protest is believed to have been the provocation behind this attack. But the CISF constable who allegedly slapped has been immediately suspended. This is a part of a protocol. There was a video viral where she appears to have been also saying and acknowledging that there was a reason that she had felt upset over what Kangana Ranaut had said. Inquiry committee has been set up to investigate further into this incident. Then Kangana posts a video and goes on to say this reflects about the situation in Punjab of extremism and terrorism.
जो बार बार आ रहा है कि कंगना रनौत जी को कुलविंदर कौर जी ने थप्पड़ जड़ दिया, सारा मीडिया बोल रहा है। कहीं भी थप्पड़ की जो वीडियो वो नहीं आ रही, सिर्फ एक दूसरे को जो तड़की भरे बयान है ऐसे ही आ रहे हैं, और तो हमने थप्पड़ बजता तो देखा नहीं है। जे थप्पड़ वाली वीडियो है तो वाल कर लेनी चाहिए, और उसके बाद जो वह उसकी इंक्वायरी करना चाहिए कि ये जेड़ी तड़की भरे हैं ये कहाँ से शुरू हुई, किस तरफ से पहले हुई।
बहुत एक दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण घटना है, क्योंकि सिक्योरिटी एजेंसीज का काम होता है सिक्योरिटी करना। उनके काम में दूसरी बात कोई भी होती नहीं है। जन भावनाओं के विषय के साथ उनको किसी प्रकार से कोई सरोकार नहीं होना चाहिए। बाकी बात जिसने करनी है, राष्ट्र एक लोकतांत्रिक तरीके से सब लोग अपनी बात रखते हैं, तो उनको किसी को जिनको रखना होता रखें।
चंडीगढ़ में एयरपोर्ट पे जहां सुरक्षा की पूरी व्यवस्था है, सुरक्षा कर्मी ही इस प्रकार से व्यवहार करें, मैं समझता हूँ कि बहुत अनफॉर्चुनेट, और हमने कहा कि उसमें कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए, और मुझे जानकारी मिली है कि उनको सस्पेंड कर दिया है, और बाकी आगामी कार्रवाई उसमें होनी है इन्वेस्टिगेशन के बाद।
बहुत अनफॉर्चुनेट है, किसी भी व्यक्ति के साथ इस तरीके की दुर्घटना नहीं होनी चाहिए, एंड पर्टिकुलरली अ लेडी हु इज़ अ मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट नाउ, तो इनके साथ इस तरीके की बदसलूकी अगर करी है तो मैं समझता हूं कि, और वो भी एक सुरक्षा कर्मी द्वारा, बहुत अनफॉर्चुनेट है। अपनी बात को रखने का एक संवैधानिक तरीका है, प्लेटफॉर्म है, उसमें अपनी बात रखते हैं, उसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है। हम इसकी कड़ी शब्दों में निंदा करते हैं, और इसके खिलाफ जो है एक्शन जो है वो सरकार को लेना चाहिए।
So this has become a huge issue of debate and discussion right now. What has happened? Meanwhile, an inquiry committee has been set up at the sensitive location where this incident happened.